Hi, I'm Greg Lambrecht, founder and inventor of Coravin. Welcome to the Coravin Wine by the Glass lifestyle. I created Coravin because I wanted to enjoy wine from any bottle in any amount without having to think about when I would return to that bottle again. Coravin Wine by the Glass systems were the result. Today I'll show you how to use the Coravin Pivot Plus, the system designed to work with any still wine, no matter the bottle closure. Let me show you how it works. The Pivot Plus Wine by the Glass system comes with the pivot, 2 Coravin Pure Argon Capsules, 2 stoppers, 1 aerator, and a bottle sleeve. Installing your capsule. Begin by unscrewing the capsule cup on your pivot system. Insert a Coravin Pure Argon capsule, and then screw the cup back on tightly until it's secure. You'll hear a click sound when the argon capsule is punctured. Each capsule will allow you to pour 20 5-ounce or 150 milliliter glasses of wine. Coravin Pivot Plus works on any bottle closure. First, open the bottle, and before pouring any wine, immediately insert a pivot stopper with the cap open. These stoppers are reusable and have been designed to be washed and used over and over again. Insert the pivot wine tube straight into the stopper so that the cap is positioned between the bottle and the capsule cup, so the stopper cap is held in place. Hold the bottom of the bottle with one hand and tilt the spout over your glass with the thumb of your other hand on the button. Press and hold the button to pour. Release the button after tilting the bottle up with the spout in the glass to stop the flow of wine and clear the wine tube. With this system, wine and argon gas flow at the same time, allowing for a fast and smooth pour. The Pivot Plus also comes with an aerator attachment that rapidly aerates wine as you pour, equivalent to decanting for 60 to 90 minutes. To use the attachment, glide it onto the spout of the system and then pour as normal. Safety. Damaged or flawed wine bottles may break when pressurized. Use the provided wine bottle sleeve to reduce risk of injury from broken glass. When you're finished pouring a glass of wine, tilt the bottle back upright. Pull the system out of the stopper and immediately close the stopper cap. Store the bottle on its side in a cool, dark place, away from light and heat. Your wine will remain fresh for up to 4 weeks. Remember the 3 C's of Coravin Pivot. Closure. Pivot works with all closures. Make sure to immediately insert a stopper before pouring any wine. Cleaning. After each use, be sure to rinse your pivot system under warm water through the spout. Cellar. Treat each bottle like you intend it to last, storing it on its side in a cool, dark environment. It's as simple as that. I hope you enjoy the freedom Coravin provides to enjoy wine by the glass as much as I do. Cheers.